Hello.
Ya aku dong.
Transpon tang kilo, muh katanya. Tang kilo.
Berapa?
Good morning, Indonesia. Good morning, the world. All right, I can't scream too much. There's some village things going on. We're in Nice. As you can see, they received the coconut yesterday. It's like 1,000. Some over there, over there, over there. They're going down the village. They're going to separate them and give it to people. Goes all the way there as well, here, and all the way at the back of the hill.
Seperempat ini apa sih? Yang pulang satu dan serang 100 boleh asa. Pulang satu bibit.
So there you go. They're spreading the coconut. Everybody's got some. Everybody's happy. They start producing in 5 to 8 years, but they're already producing quite a lot now. But it's a cycle. Is in blue Paketut. Paketut, make sure there's nothing going on. Is my man. Everybody's on the list. Everybody's got the sign. Everybody's got the coconut ready, planted it. One happy customer. Paketut, bagaimana? Semuanya organisasi. Oke, mantap.
Anak asal coba rauh dingin, bibit kekengken, tajuk jadi sini tebal. Sing percaya orang sponsor. Apa nak duman ring dalam? Sama-sama nyago driko. Niki duman dagi putang.
The big cool. The bees really love it. It's like so sweet. There's a little bit of nectar also inside, and obviously pollen as well. But hey, it's delicious. The bees love it. So there you go. That was vlog 29. Almost 30 days, almost 1 month. Good. All right. Last time I talked to you about a few plants and trees. We are thinking of also going towards more also medicinal use of it, with the bees as well. We're talking about extract, we're talking about soap maybe. Yeah, for now I can't really reveal too much yet. All the information in the description below. Send us an email. You want to receive the big document, You want to know how you can help us? Send us the email, all right? I can't do more really on my side. Every day is daily content, daily vlog. It's free, it's just for you. I show you the world in that valley and it's amazing. Thank you for the subscription already. Thank you for the like and the share. Our website, I think this weekend we're working on it. It's gonna look nice. Talking with a few artists also for a more punchy logo. So yeah, things coming good. Donation, still receiving donation. Thinking of more idea of trying to increase it. You can reach me Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Google Plus, anywhere. That was it. Lots of good vibes on Bali. I love you. You take care. You have an excellent day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye. What are they doing?